Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy J, back at it again with another video. If this is your first time watching, hey, I'm Chrissy and welcome to the Chrissy J Show. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and make sure your notification bell is turned on so you see all that's going on with the Chrissy J Show. Well, let's get to it. Let's hop into the video. Ow!
Bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga.
All right guys, hey guys, what's going on? If you are watching this, the date is, well, I'm filming this on March 30th, and this is going to be just a calm, quick life update on my 2020 so far. So let's get into it. So this year has been very tumultuous, to say the least. A lot has happened, good, bad, indifferent, and crazy in its own way. January, the year kind of started off a bit slow for me. As I got into the year, I wanted to do things and I had a great positive attitude, but for just some reason, like, my mindset just was not there. January, I always say that was the free trial going into 2020, because that month was just a lot. I had like a lot of friend drama, like I had to cut a few people off in January. February came, I was doing well. I had posted 2 videos. I was being consistent, but for some reason I still was just in this, like, I don't know what it was. Like, my job that I was working at was going all right, you know, a few haters in upper management, but that's to be expected with any job, you know, especially, you know, they just be hating on your girl Chrissy J. Like, don't let me get, I'm gonna save that story time for another day, but it's all good. You know, your girl Chrissy is really crafty, so I didn't let that deflect me. What really drowned the month for me was just the sudden and tragic deaths of Kobe Bryant and Pop Smoke. Rest in peace to them. The effects of their deaths are still, you know, still felt today. People are still saying R.I.P. Kobe and Pop Smoke. Kobe was definitely shocking, just because he was just so young. I'm not even a huge basketball fan, but my father was super affected by it. Just seeing how much of a legend he was and getting the full grasp of his life as an entirety, it was really hard to watch. And what happened to his daughter, oh my gosh, I don't even want to get into it because it's just so sad and just so it really affected my mood, and it really just made me start thinking that life is just so short. We don't have that much time here, and it doesn't matter how much money you have, it doesn't matter your status, race, creed, none of that. One thing is for certain, is that we're all gonna die one day, unfortunately. And when God says it's that time, it is your time. Pop Smoke touched home too, because y'all know I'm from Brooklyn and Pop Smoke is from Canarsie, and I actually grew up a few blocks from the Flossie. So to see him die too, so young, just starting, his album just dropped, it was just detrimental. So February was just no bueno for me, no bueno. And now we're in March, the 3rd month. And now we're here. So what I mean by here is that if you're watching this, then you're probably in quarantine and cute like me. It's like, not playing, but if you're watching this, you are in quarantine. Our world right now is a quarantine
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
It's scary. It's scary, guys, that we are having a pandemic. It's scary because a lot of people are dying and there's no cure. This is serious. Stay home. Look at my face. Stay home, guys, please. The virus is new to a lot of people. A lot of people are dying. My hometown, New York, is one of the heavy hitters for the highest top cases of the coronavirus. All I can really say when it comes to that, guys, is just to please stay safe. Wishing blessings and prosperity on everybody watching this and your families. Please make sure you wash your hands, okay? cough in your arm. Okay, wipe off your surfaces. Just stay super safe. Take the precautions, guys. Kind of stuff that we've all learned in kindergarten, but for some reason it's just not clicking. So hopefully, you know, as people are seeing how the severity of the situation, they're going to take the steps and measures that it takes to stop the spread. Social distancing, guys, the parties. Come on, I see, you know, I see it. Like, I get it. I miss my friends too, and I want to party with all my friends. I want to call up my friends, Yay, Coco, Nature. Okay, I want to call up all my friends and have a party too, but unfortunately we can't. It looks like my birthday is going to be non-existent. Y'all know my birthday is 4/20, and right now we are on the social distancing guidelines and stuff until April 30th. So it looks like my birthday will be celebrated on FaceTime, which, like, not lit, but I will take the precautions and miss out on a birthday if it means the safety of others are taken seriously. So I will say the one good thing that I have accomplished this year so far, well, two. One is that I got a new car, which I'm super excited about. Her name is Sparkles Lamb J. If you know me, you know that I name all my cars, so that was gonna happen, period. And then the second thing is that I actually got saved. I want to say about a week and a half ago. So I'm taking my steps and being closer to God more seriously, especially in times like these. God will get us through. Okay, guys, God is gonna get us through. So I'm nervous, but not really nervous, because I know where my heart is, and I know that I believe in him, the man up here. So I know that we're gonna be good. But yeah. So I don't know how 2020 is going to end. I know a lot of things are up in the air for a lot of people. We don't know if there's going to be a summer. We don't know how long this pandemic is going to last. We don't know anything. It can be, anything can happen within these next few months. But I pray, and I would say take this time to get closer to God if you are not. And hang in there, guys. We are all we got. We got this. Right there, guys, is my 2020 update so far. I want to say for 2020, I'm giving this so far I'm giving this a 3 out of 10. I'm giving this a pull over 2020 I can walk. That is my mood right now, because a lot of stuff has happened. Okay, I'm like but yeah, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about what's been going on with me. I've missed you guys so much. But the good thing with all this quarantine thing that we're gonna be doing, I have tons of time to make content. I miss you guys so much. More videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still rocking with me, love you guys always. Make sure you guys tell your mama, tell your what? Your daddy, tell your who, your sister, your brother, tell everybody about the Chrissy J Show. More videos to come. Mwah. And stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Stay inside. Bye, guys.